Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see what is the difference between case and decode statement. This is one of the interview question where interviewer asks you what is the difference between case and decode statement over the null values. So let us understand this concept with the help of queries. Here I have written two queries. In first query, I am using the case statement and comparing the null values. And in second query, I am using the decode function and comparing the null values. If you see the first query, where what I have written, I am comparing the null values with the help of equal to operator. If both are equal, then it will print A. Otherwise, it will print B. So, let us execute this query and see the result. If you see it here, if null is equal to null, then it will print A, otherwise it will print B. But once we have executed this query and we can see the output, it is showing B. It means it is going to the else part and it is printing the B value. But the same query, if we write same null values, if we compare with the help of decode statement, let us see what output we will keep. Before executing this query, I just wanted to tell you about the decode function. If you compare null with null, if both are equal, if null is equal to null, then it will print A, otherwise it will print B. Now let us execute this decode function. If you see it here, if we compare the null values, decode statement, it is going to the positive part and it is printing A. So what I want to explain you in this video, case statement, if you compare the null values, it will always goes to else part. And the same thing, if you compare the null values with the help of decode statement, it will always go to the positive part and it will print the positive values. So this is one of the interview question where interviewer can ask you what is the difference between null and decode over the null values. Thank you all.